Hi, this is Robin from marketingyourpurpose.com. And right now in this training video, I'm just going to do a very quick walkthrough to show you how to set up a custom audience inside Facebook's Power Editor. If you don't have Power Editor already installed and hooked up, make sure that you look in your workbook and there's a link right there for you to go and download it. You can only use it in the Chrome browser, so just make sure that you've done that first because otherwise you're going to be seeing something different than I'm seeing and you're going to be confused. So make sure that you're in Power Editor. Now, Facebook Custom Audience. This is basically where you're going to upload a CSV file of your contacts, your existing email subscribers into Facebook. And what happens is that you're now going to create an audience that you can run ads to. And the beautiful part is that a lot of times people who are on your email list are not following you on Facebook already, and vice versa. So this way you're making sure that you're reaching everybody that you could possibly reach. Now, I know you're wondering, okay, this is list building machine. I'm learning how to build my list, so why would I be running ads to my list? So the reason for that is because in another video, we're going to show you how to create what's called a lookalike audience based off from your existing email subscribers. So you need to know how to do this step first. I mean, obviously, you're not going to run ads to this list in order to get people on your list, right? But this is a very, very highly effective tool that you can use when we are targeting. It gives you a highly relevant audience to target your ads to when you use this tool in the correct way that we're going to show you. So it's very, very simple. You're just going to go into your Power Editor, and up here on the left, you're going to click this little drop down. If you have more than one account set up, you're going to want to make sure you're clicked on the right account, obviously. But if you just have one account, you're just going to go here to your drop down and you're going to choose audiences. Then you'll get a screen that looks like this. If you're brand new, I'm using a brand new account here to start from scratch to show you what it looks like when you're doing this for the very first time. So you're going to go right here to create audience. Now it gives you three choices. You're going to choose a custom audience. Now what happens is you have four choices. For this particular one, you're going to choose a data file custom audience because we're uploading your existing email contacts. So you're going to choose that, and then you can name your audience. You can name it whatever's easiest for you to remember what it is later on. So I'm just going to put our contacts, and then I always like to put the date because you can come here and update it. So as of such and such date, right? You can put a description here if you want to. And then data type. Use this drop down. There are several data types here you can choose from. I'm showing you only how to do it with emails. I find this the most effective. This one here, user IDs. Beware, beware, beware. If you've heard anybody out there online talking about how you can create custom audiences using Facebook unique user IDs, I would say be very wary of it. You can get in big trouble for doing things like that if you're not doing it properly. So we're just going to choose emails. Okay, and now it tells you it needs to be in CSV or text format. You're going to choose your file. Okay, here we go. All right, so I made a sample list that we can upload here. So you're going to upload this list. and make sure this is checked. I agree to the terms. And you might want to read those terms to make sure that you're in compliance with them. And then you just simply click on create audience. Now, this will take a few minutes depending on how big the list size is that you uploaded. I only uploaded a portion of one, so it happened pretty quickly. So it'll tell you, thank you, it's been created. And you just click OK. Now you'll see right here the status, it says waiting. So what happens is sometimes it'll take a few minutes for it to propagate out there, and you'll get a notification actually in your Facebook where all your notifications show up when people talk to you and comment on your posts, and it will tell you that your custom audience is ready when it's ready. So that's that. You just upload it here, and as many different lists that you upload, you can keep them categorized by your entire contact list, or this is if you have your list segmented, you can upload it in segments and they will all show right here in this area. It will show you how many is on the list and when it is created. Okay, so make sure that you watch another video on how to create a lookalike custom audience, because that's where this audience that we just created is really going to come into play for you. Alrighty, see you on the next one.